Air Body Saw Saber Reciprocating. Speedaire 5-6 Air Saw. Chicago Pneumatic CB7901 Super Duty Reciprocating Air Saw. Mountain 7332 Heavy Duty Reciprocating Air Saw. Saw Air Reciprocating 5 750s from 925E. Heavy Duty Air Reciprocating Saber Saw. Saw Air Reciprocating 10,000s from 825E. Speedaire 10-1241 Mini Reciprocating Air Saw. Reciprocating Air Saw. Air Shears. Ampro R2314 Industrial Air Body Saw. Powryte Air Body / Reciprocating Saw. Ampro R2311 Reciprocating Air Body Saw. Chicago Pneumatic C7900 Heavy Duty Reciprocating Air Saw. Chicago Pneumatic C881 Heavy Duty Air Reciprocating Saw. Wilmar M660 Reciprocating Air Body Saw. Astro Pneumatic Tool 930 Mini Reciprocating Air Saw. Air Reciprocating Saws. Chicago Pneumatic C881 Heavy Duty Air Reciprocating Saw. Ingersoll Rand 429 Edge Series Reciprocating Air Saw. Ingersoll Rand 529 Low Vibration Reciprocating Air Saw. Eastwood Reciprocating Pneumatic Air Metal Saw. Chicago Pneumatic C7901 Super Duty Reciprocating Air Saw. Atd Tools 2140 Air Body Saw Kit. Ingersoll Rand 429 Heavy Duty Air Reciprocating Saw.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care, bye.